Hello lefty wannabes and welcome to the channel Right Left Hand. We have made it past the half-year mark and we are starting on the 7th month of the year. So let's go ahead and, just get started with it because it's too exciting not to. And my 2's are starting to look like Z's. But let's not let that get us down. And we'll just keep on writing with our left hand as we should be. Oh well. I'm actually looking, I was saying some time ago, gotta keep making progress and not regress, but I've gotta say, this doesn't look super strong. I feel like last month was actually pretty good. This one's a little bit off. Part of that might be the angle in which I have the camera set up. So, because sometimes it cramps my left hand writing just a little bit. So, I'm gonna have to figure that out, maybe, because yeah, I don't know. I can move a little bit over to the right, but we'll see. Okay, so then let me write the rest of the numbers. Yeah, I really need to work on that too. All right. Well, there you have it, the 7th month of 2022. And I guess we can go ahead and call it a day. Alrighty, goodbye.